Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay. So now everyone can see daily I'm writing some code here. Yes or no? In the same way, I will be writing the code in daily classes, but I can't share you the code. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Because this code is in my local laptop. Okay. So for example, now yesterday, everyone they wrote some Java code. I don't know what they have written, but I can't see that. I don't know. And you also can't share me. If you want to share, you have to just copy paste and send me email the code. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, whenever daily I'm telling Java, see, you can refer my videos to go through how the code has been written. If you get some doubt or if you struck somewhere, okay. But assume if you want my code, you can't take unless until you see the video and write by yourself. Okay, you agree?
Okay.
Yeah. So now what I'm going to tell is I'm going to tell GitHub. What?
GitHub.
Yeah. What is GitHub?
GitHub.
Yeah. What is GitHub? GitHub is nothing but it is a repository. What it is?
Repository.
Repository. Okay. Okay. It is a cloud service that helps developers, testers to store and manage their code. Okay. So now what I will do every day at the end of the class, I will push my code to a place. Okay. The place name is called repository. What is that? The place name?
Repository.
Repository. So what the repository contains? The repository contains the latest code. If I push, then only the code will be available. If I don't push, for example, one day, if I forgot to push the code, it will not have the latest code. Okay. So that is a place where we can store the code. Okay. For example, when we are working in software company, assume we all are a team, which are developers and testers. Okay. So everyone will be working in their local laptop. So what happens at the end of the day? They all push their code to the repository. Okay. So as of now, you no need to concentrate so much on GitHub. I will just teach you basic thing, how to take my code alone. That's it. So every day you can just take my code. That's it. Okay. I'm not going to teach you today how to push the code. I'm going to teach you only how to take the code. That's it. Because that is enough for you till I teach you the whole GitHub concept. Okay. So now what you people are going to learn?
How to take the
How to
code.
take the code
Take
from
the
the
code.
Every day. Okay. So now which one we are going to use? GitHub. Okay. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now everyone start and access the website https github.com. Okay. Or you can go to Google and type GitHub. Okay. Everyone go to Google and type GitHub. So open Google, type GitHub and click on search. So once everyone is done, please let me know. Okay. So has everyone?
So it doesn't allow us.
No. See,
You
I
know,
need
sir.
to prepare.
no. Are you able to open Google?
No, sir.
Yes.
That's
Why you are unable to open Google? What is the problem in
the
your
screen
laptop?
is not minimizing in my laptop, sir. It doesn't allow me to.
Okay, no need. You don't see the screen. Okay.
Yeah.
I will tell the steps. You do that. Okay. Everyone can just do the steps. Okay. So everyone just do the steps, whatever I am telling. Okay. You no need to follow the screen. You can just do the steps. Okay. So first to open the Google from the Chrome. Has everyone opened?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now after opening, you all type GitHub in the Google search. Okay.
Done.
Okay, you all type GitHub. So we have a new joiner today, Sridevi. Hello, Sridevi. Good morning. Sridevi, we don't hear you. Okay, you are on mute, but fine. So now I am going to teach them GitHub, how to just take the code which I push daily. Okay, so now it is GitHub. So did you all type GitHub?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone, okay. Now you hit enter, then you click on the first link, https://github.com. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now everyone click on sign up.
Okay.
And also after clicking on sign up, now what we are going to do, we are going to create an account. What we are going to do? Because does everyone
Create
has
an account?
Does everyone has an account already? If there is already account exists, then no need to create an account. Okay. Because I don't have account, I'm trying to create. Okay.
Okay.
So now here you can enter your email ID. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to enter my email ID. Yes or no?
Yeah.
After
Yes.
after entering, then you click on continue. What?
Continue.
Okay. And then it is asking to create a password. You enter the password. Password is okay. It's telling enter username. Just giving automation. QATA. Automation Test Academy. Okay. Not available. Automation Test Academy. Okay. So are you able to do till here? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Shall I proceed further? Everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so I have entered my username. So when you're trying to enter the username, if that username already exists, then you can't use that. Okay, so you have to use a unique username. Okay. Okay, I'm clicking on continue. Would you like to receive product updates? So it is telling type Y. If yes, no, no, I don't want to receive any updates. Okay, I will tell Y. I want to receive, then I will give Y. If you don't want to receive, you can give N. I'm clicking on continue. Okay, so it is telling, please solve the puzzle to verify that you are a human. So it is telling start puzzle. Please pick one square that shows two identical objects. Done. Okay, create account. So they will send an email and then I will enter the code. So everyone are able to do, right? Create the account.
I'm still creating.
Sir, is this for already existed usernames or we have to create the new?
Create account means what?
Yeah, but it says that username is not available.
See, username means already the name which you are giving is already created by some other person. You're getting my point. You have to create a unique. You have to put the username unique. You are getting my point.
Yeah. Okay, got it.
Yeah, because even in Gmail, when you are creating, if the name which you are trying to put is already used by someone, they will be telling already exists. Yes or no?
Yeah. So I have to put the unique user.
Yeah. And also whatever you're putting, you just remember that. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Let me know once everyone created the account. Okay. Is that clear? Everyone has created. Shall I continue? Shall I continue further? Everyone.
Yes.
Sir, it's showing something for me like unable to verify your captcha response.
Okay, so you okay. So you can share your screen, Divya. Okay. Whenever see, it will give you some captcha. Okay, we have to follow the same instructions which it is expecting. Okay, fine. You can share you can share your screen. Okay. I made you host. You can share your screen now.
So it shows how many team members will be working with you.
You give 0, no problem.
Okay.
Or you can select any other thing also, because now we are going to select the free version. Okay. So,
okay.
Divya, are you sharing the screen?
So shall I continue by entering the student or teacher?
Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Anything.
Yeah.
Okay, Divya is sharing the screen. Okay.
Sir, it's showing like this.
Unable to verify your captcha. Okay, scroll down.
Actually, I did not get any captcha, sir. Just I got this one. I type yes and click continue. That's
Okay, fine, no problem. We will see again. Can you refresh the page?
yeah.
Is anyone also facing the problem?
No, Anish.
Everyone
No.
has created, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Divya, because we don't see your screen, I think your screen is stuck.
Yeah, actually, I think it's my laptop getting stuck. So
Yeah. Okay. Fine. No problem. You can try later. Okay. You can go through the video, follow the video steps
yeah,
if
okay.
you're having any
Yes.
problem. Okay. And then you can do.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay. I will share my screen. Okay. Fine. Right. So everyone are able to see the screen now. My screen. I have shared back the screen. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So now here you all can see. Okay. But you don't do anything now. Okay. Now your account is created. Is that fine? Your account is created. Okay. So now I am going to create a new repository for you because you don't need to create. I'm going to create. Okay. Because you're just taking the code from my code. Okay. So you need not to do anything. Okay. So now what you have to do is you just go to Google. Okay. And search Git download. What? Search Git download. Okay. You all open Google Chrome and then type Git download and click on the first link, which is https git-scm.com downloads. And then click on the first link. Okay. Then because we all are using Windows, you have to go and click on the Windows. You can see everyone are able to see the download Windows, right?
Git for
Yes,
Windows.
Anish.
Sorry, somebody was telling something.
It's Git for Windows.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Okay, so you click on that window.
Yeah.
Okay, now everyone are able to see the screen, whatever you are able to see on my screen.
Yes. Yes, Anish.
Okay, now you have to click 64-bit Git for Windows setup. Okay. So you can click on that. So the setup will be downloaded. Okay. So once setup is downloaded, you can just go to that place because it is a .exe file. .exe file means it is executable file. So you have to go there and then double click and install that. Okay. You all know how to just install. Just simple. You just click on next till you see install button. Let me know once the installation is done. Okay.
We are supposed to click on all the default options, right, Anish?
Yeah. No need to do anything. You just click on next. Okay.
Okay.
So everyone are able to do, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Let me know once it is done. Okay.
It's done.
Very good.
Sir.
Very good. We will wait 1 more minute for everyone to complete.
It's done.
Okay.
It's done.
Very good. Okay, I think everyone are done, right? Super. So now after installing, you have to, can you go to C program files? Can you open your C drive? Go to program files. And are you able to see a folder called Git? And also inside the Git folder, when you double click on the Git folder, you can see a folder called CMD. Okay. Yes or no? Copy that CMD folder. Go to environmental variables. Open the environmental variables. Go to system variables and open the path. Okay. So here you can see the path of your system. You just select the path and click on edit and then add the line C program files git cmd which you copied. Okay. Are you able to do? So you have to set in the path 2 locations. One is git/cmd. The other one is git/bin/. So these are the 2 locations which you have to set. Shravanti, till where you have reached?
Sir, I think I messed up somewhere, sir. I didn't show any Git.
In C. Okay, can you go and check in program files x66, x86? No, it will show. Was everyone able to find the Git folder or not?
It's done.
Yeah. So Farhana, are you able to set these 2?
Yes, I done.
One is
Git
so
and one is bin.
yeah. So C. So you are able to see like C program files /git/cmd. The other one C program files
Bin. Yes.
/git/bin.
Yes.
Again slash. Okay. After bin you should put a slash. Okay.
I should put slash.
Yes. Yes. See, you are able to see my screen.
Yes. Yes, I
See.
can.
See, at the end of the bin there is slash. Yes or no? So there
Let
is
me.
no slash after cmd, but there is a slash required after bin. Okay.
Okay.
Shravanti, what is the status?
Yeah, sir, I found that.
Super. So it was in x86. Where you found that?
In program files.
So you were able to see the Git folder.
Yeah, I opened it and there is a bin.
There is a cmd also, right?
Yeah, CMD.
Okay. Okay. Copy that address /cmd till that cmd, and then go to environmental variables and set the path. So in the path, you have to set these 2 paths, one for cmd, the one for bin. So everyone set bin/. Okay. For cmd, no slash is required, but for the bin slash is required. So Farhana is done. Saujanya?
I am still finding in control panel about the environmental variables.
Okay, when you go to control panel, you can see system and settings.
System and settings.
First one will be okay. You see my screen, okay?
Yes.
So when I go to control panel, you're able to see this.
For me, it's little bit different.
Okay, fine. So what you are able to see?
Something like this, but a bit large.
Okay,
Like this.
like this.
Yes.
Okay, or I will tell one more simple, nothing to worry. You go to search and type environment.
Okay.
When you type environment, automatically you will get.
Yeah.
So if you see system environmental variables you got, right, you can directly click on that. It will directly open that. Okay.
Okay.
So is that open now? So you are able to see system properties where you can click on
Yeah,
environmental
yes.
variables. Now
Yes,
in the system variables, you can see something called path, PATH. You can just scroll down, find the path, select that
Yes.
and click on edit. Here you can add these two lines. One is C program file /git/cmd. The other one is C program file /git/bin/. Okay.
I
So,
have to add them new. So one is
yes,
there.
yes, yes.
CMD is there. I have to add the bin.
Yeah,
bin
yes,
one.
yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
Okay. Got it, Anis.
So everyone has done that. Tazeen, Shravanti.
Yeah, I'm doing so.
Okay.
CMD, okay.
CMD should be in one line. The other line should be till a git/bin/.
Bin, okay.
Bin.
So I have to copy the bin also, right?
Yeah, yes. You can go back to their folder. You can go back and then git, and then you can double click on a bin folder and then copy that path and then come and paste it here. Okay. And then click. So once everyone has placed, but you all remember after bin, there should be slash. Okay. And then click on OK, OK, and then OK. And then you have to go to command prompt and then type git space -- version. When you give git space -- version, you can see the version. Okay. Let me know till this step is clear. Once it's done. Okay.
So after putting the bin and CMD, we have to click the new. Okay.
Have you also put the slash next to bin?
Next to bin. No.
You have to put, I'm telling, right?
Yeah. Okay. For the CMD, we don't need to
No
put
need,
the.
no need, no need.
Okay.
Divya, what is your status? Is your laptop allowing you to do it or not?
No, sir. I'll try after
Fine.
the
No problem. You can
class.
restart. You can restart your laptop and try later. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Fine. Okay. Everyone has done, right? So are you able to see the git version in the command prompt?
Yes. Yes,
Yes.
Anis.
Okay. So shall I continue?
Yes.
Yes.
Shravanti,
Okay, sir.
Saujanya? Yes.
Yes, Anis.
Yeah. Fine. Okay. Now everyone has done the git. So now what you people have to take the code. So what you want the location from where you have to take the code. Okay. So for that, what I have to do, because I have to place my code, I want one repository. Okay, you want to take the code, so you can connect to that repository and take the code. So you need not to do anything. Okay, just now what I am going to do, you can just see, so that later you can do and place your code when I teach that. So now I'm not going to teach anything for you. Okay, now I'm going to teach you only how to take the code. Okay. So now you are able to see the screen. So what I'm doing, I'm just creating a new repository. I clicked on the create repository and I'm going to give a repository name. Okay. What is my repository name? For example, I'm giving like morning batch. Okay. So this is available. So I'm giving this name. Okay. And then training for Selenium automation. I'm giving some description and I'm making it public. I'm not making it private, but I'm making it public so everyone can get the code. I'm just clicking on create. That's it. What I have done, I have clicked on create new repository button at the left side, and then I'm giving some unique name, and then I'm selecting the option public, and then I'm clicking on create repository. So when I click on create repository, it is giving me a URL. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so it is giving me a URL. So now what I will do, I will share you that URL. What I'm going to do, I'm going to share you that URL. Okay. 1 minute. I'm sending you the URL. Sridevi, you can send me your email address, okay? Gmail, so that I will add in the videos. Okay, fine. So now I have sent you this, okay. Okay, so now I have shared you this URL, okay. Now what I am going to do. So this is the URL. I mean, this is the my repository location from where you have to connect and take the code. Okay, very good. So now, but before you take, I have to place the code, right? Till now I have not placed my code. The code is in my local only. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. So now I'm going to show you just how to place, but you are not going to try that. Okay. As of now, you don't need to worry. Okay. So what I am going to do. So I will go to this project location. How to go to location? Simple. Right click, go to properties. If you see here, this is my location. Okay. So I'm clicking on that. So if I go inside, this is my location. Okay. So here, are you able to see something called .git folder? No, right?
No.
Because still this project don't know about Git, because I have not told that, hey project, you have to support Git. I have not given the instructions to my code. So now what I am going to do, I'm going to give the instruction to my project that, hey project, you have to support the Git. So now what I'm going to tell to my project, you have to
Support the
support
Git.
the Git. Okay, when I tell that you have to support the Git, then only my project will understand that, okay, now Vanis is going to save the code in the Git and it will behave accordingly. Okay, so if you all see, there is no Git folder. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open a command prompt in the same folder. Okay, so what I'm going to the header. Okay, I'm going to the header and then I'm just typing CMD. When I type CMD here, the command prompt will open in the same folder path. Okay, or even you can open the command prompt separately, CMD, and then select this path.
Copy.
Sorry, 1 minute. You can select this path and then copy paste. You can go to command prompt, you can enter CD space this path. So it will be automatically into that path. Okay, but sometimes it will not work, then no problem. You can go here and then enter CMD directly. Okay, so that it will open directly. Or there is one more way. Okay, or what you can do, you can press shift and right click. When you press shift and right click, it will be giving you option to open command prompt. Okay, so these two options may work sometimes or may not work based on the operating system on laptop. So simple one is you can go to this address bar, enter CMD, so it will open directly. Okay, is it clear? So what you are going to do, you are going to go inside here and then go cmd. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, so now if I go into this repository, so this is my URL. Okay, I will just take in a notepad. Okay, I have taken into the notepad. Okay, now if I go to my home page, so this is my repository. Okay, first repository. When I click on repository, do you see the some code? No, right? Everything is blank. Yes or no? There is no code. You don't see the code. Code means you don't see my first program. You don't see my first package. You don't see my first program and second program in my repository. But still, I have not placed my code. Okay, so what I'm going to do after opening the command prompt, first I'm telling, hey, this project has to support Git. For that, I'm telling Git space init. Okay, you need not worry all about this. I will tell this in deep at the end. Okay, so I'm telling Git init. So it is telling initialized empty Git repository in this path. Okay, so now if we go here and check, .git folder is created. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
now it will understand that my project has to support Git. Okay, so now what I will do, I will go here and I will try to push my code. Okay, so first Git status to know what are all. So you can see when I do Git status, there are some 5 red color files you can see. Okay, so I will just git add dot git status. Okay, git. So you need not to worry all about this. Okay, I will teach you all this at the end. So I'm going to teach you now only how to take. That's it. Okay. Git the push origin. Title. Please make sure you have the correct access right and repository contains morning batch git push origin master fatal origin does not appear to be get posting could not read the remote repository. Okay, first, okay, 1 minute git add origin. Permission to automation morning is denied. Okay. Unable to access. The request URL return error 403. Because I had other account. minute, I will just log into that account. One minute, I'm just logging to one more account because I had two accounts, so it was not accepting. 1 minute. We sent you a verification request on your mobile GitHub app. Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to create a new repository. So I'm giving the name morning batch. See, because already I created a some other person has already created a morning batch. Okay, it is not allowing for other user to create Indian morning batch. Okay. So this is the URL. Okay. So this is the URL which I will share. Just ignore the previous URL. Okay. So simple. I just logged in with a different user. That's it. Okay. It's everything. The process, everything remains same. Okay. Because already my system is configured to this alone, this user alone. So now I will try once again. Give me 1 minute. Okay. So I will go here. I will open command prompt. And then I will do git remote origin and origin the URL. Okay. Remote already exists. And come on. On branch master, nothing to commit. Working on tree. Let's just create one more project. Give me just 2 minutes. I'm just doing the setup. Oops, is restarting. Okay. So now, like how to push everything, we will have in detail, because the GitHub is a different, it's an individual concept. Okay. So as of now, why I am teaching you how to just the take is so that at the end of the day, every day you can take the code from after my class. Okay. Just go create the one sample project. Yesterday, you all know how to create a project, how to create a package, how to create the class file. Okay, so I'm trying to create one single class file, and then I will push this code. We'll see package. Able to run. Okay, so I will go to the project. I'm saving this. Go to the project. India weekend batch. Morning batch. Okay. Open CMD. And then I will just give the instructions to it. Okay. We'll make it git init. Okay. Initialized empty. Okay. Then git remote add origin. The URL. This is the URL. Okay. And then git status. Okay, so now if you go to my repository, okay, because in this I'm having many repositories. Okay, for example, now I created a repository called Indian batch. 1 minute. Repositories. So this is the repository. When I go inside, you don't see any code. Okay, so now what I'm doing, I'm pushing my code. Okay, so I'm telling git push origin master. So I have pushed. So now if you see, I have pushed my code. So it is 62%. We will just wait till the 100%. Okay. So now I will teach you how to take the code. Okay. So I will send you this URL to everyone so that you can connect to this URL. Everyone are following, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So
Yes,
I'm
sir.
sending one mail now. Okay. You can all just take this URL git. So you just ignore the previous URL which I have given. Okay. So everyone might have received the URL. Okay. So here my git push is completed. So if I go here and refresh my page, you can see the code. I'm going to repositories. I'm clicking on this. See, if you see earlier the page was different, now you will see the difference. See, you can see my first project which I have created before 1 minute I have sent. Yes or no? If you go inside, you can see the code as well. SRC, this is the first Java program. Okay, so now I have pushed my code to the repository. Now what you people are doing, you will connect to that repository and take the code. Okay, so now how to connect? Okay, now I will make some person host. Okay, Farhana, I'm making you host. Okay, so that you can share your screen. I will guide you. Okay, Farhana, can you please share your screen?
Yes, this 1 minute.
Is it possible for you, Farhana, or should I tell to some other person?
No, you tell someone.
Yeah, okay. Tazin, can you please share your screen? I will make you host.
Yes.
Okay, I made you host so that you can share your screen, so that now I will be giving some instructions. You all follow the same instructions. Okay, clear? So now you all create a folder in any drive wherever you want. See, for example, I'm creating. Okay, Tazina, you have shared the screen, right? Okay,
Yes.
now can you go to some drive? Okay, you can create a folder. Okay, can you create something like automation training? Okay, you can create a folder here, automation training. So everyone go to one drive and create a folder, automation training. Something automation training notes, something you can keep. Notes also you can add, so that okay. So this is repository. Okay. Okay. Can you go inside this folder? So everyone has created a folder.
Yes.
Very good. Now uh, can you go and open the command prompt in this folder? Go select the top and then enter. No. Go and select at the right, right white space. You can just click on the white space. Yeah.
Here.
No, anywhere you can see white space next to notes also, right? You just click there. Yeah, you click there. Yeah, you can type CMD. Okay, when you hit enter, a command prompt will open now. Okay, now here. So now you just have the URL. Can you go to Gmail and open the URL?
Yes.
Copy the URL. Okay, so everyone following, right? If somebody is not following, please let me know. Okay, so that I can go slowly. You can copy the URL which I have just shared. If you want, you can stop the sharing and then you can.
Yes.
Yeah, you log
It
in.
is showing like it's not recognized as an internal or external command.
No, you can't
When
use
we
that command. See, I have not told you any command, right? I just
okay,
asked you only to open the command prompt. That's it. I have not given the command to enter, right?
okay,
So now
done.
you have opened the command prompt, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Let's wait for Tazinar also to copy the URL and then open the command prompt. Okay.
Okay, shall I paste here URL?
1 minute, you have opened, right?
Yes.
Okay,
I
so
have
no,
copied
wait,
it.
let me tell the command. Okay, see, first, now you are taking for the first time, yes or no? So we
Yes.
have to establish some connection between your folder and that Git. Okay, so first
Okay.
you have to run a command. You all type git, git space
Okay. Okay.
space clone, clone, clone space, and then you can copy the URL. You just right click. That's it. Okay, so the command for the first time, this is the command. Okay, because you don't know your folder, whatever you created, don't know. Okay, so it is like git space clone space this URL. Now Tazin, can you hit enter? So now when you hit enter, it is cloning. Okay, for the first time. Okay, Tazin, meanwhile, can you open the Eclipse also? So now everyone open the Eclipse. So everyone has run this command.
No, sir, it doesn't
Yes,
allow me.
Anish.
Why?
So
What is the?
I'll follow later, sir.
Yeah, okay. So where you got stuck?
The folder, it doesn't allow the command prompt.
It should allow.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Shravanti, can you? Sojin, I will make you host. You can share your screen. Okay.
I am not able to open Eclipse application, Anish.
Oh, why?
So I am getting an error like unable to launch, unable to launch the application.
Why?
I tried yesterday. I'm able to open. I created some programs. What you have
Okay.
told,
Okay.
but
Okay.
now if I try to open, I'm getting an error. Unable to launch the application,
Uh-huh.
and some it's throwing some error.
Okay, fine. No problem. So I will share my screen and then I will. Yeah. Sajinara has download completed for you.
Yes.
Eclipse.
No, I'm doing.
Okay, fine. I will share my screen. Okay, fine. You are able. Everyone are able to see my screen, right? So I will create one more folder. Okay. I'm just creating like a backup folder. Okay. See, you are able to see my screen, everyone.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I
Yes.
just created a folder called backup. I'm just going here and opening command prompt. Okay. When I open command prompt, it is. So now here I'm going git clone and I'm giving space URL. Okay. So when I give, so now what I'm trying to do, hey, I'm establishing the connection and taking the code. So now if I go to this folder, see, this is the folder. Yes or no? This is an empty folder which just I created, but I just cloned and got the code. So now what I will do, I will go to my, I'm going to my Eclipse. Okay. Okay. So now I can point. So everyone are able to do. Farhana, are you able to do this? Git clone.
Yes, I have done.
Okay. So now you open Eclipse. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And then you can go to open file. What? Open file.
Open file. Yes.
And then, or no, sorry, you can go to file and then import. You can do import.
File and import. Okay.
Now it will ask, you can go to general and then select existing project into workspace. Okay. So
Okay.
everyone are following the steps, right? Now what we are trying to open the code which you just took to the Eclipse. Okay.
Okay.
Farhan, are you able to do?
Yes, done.
So when
Next.
you click
Shall
on
I press
existing
next?
and then click on next, and then you have here you have to browse. You can go to the folder and then browse the code whichever you have taken. Okay. You have to select the Indian morning batch and then click on select folder. 1 minute and then backup. We'll create one more. Or if you want separate, you can create a different workspace. Huh? Farhana, you can create a different workspace.
Yes.
Okay.
We have selected the Indian morning batch.
Yeah, okay. No, I'm telling it will be confusing because your code also will be in the same workspace. My code also will be in the same workspace. Instead of that, you cancel that window, open, you can create one more folder as a practice workspace or session workspace. Okay.
Okay.
You go to folder and create a session workspace folder so that we can maintain two different workspaces, one for my code and one for your code. Okay. And then open it.
Creating another folder.
Okay, you can put the name as workspace, session workspace, something. Okay.
Okay.
And then see why I'm creating, asking you to create a new workspace is so that my code will be in different workspace and your code will be in different workspace. Okay.
Fine.
So that it will not be confused. So whenever you want, you
So
can just.
I'm doing the same thing now. After creating a folder session workspace, I'm going there and doing the command prompt and all. Same thing.
No. Wait. 1 minute. Huh? See, already you have taken my code, which is available in some folder. Yes or no?
Yes,
now
it is there.
Now you created just an empty folder.
Done.
Where you have to point the Eclipse to that folder, because workspace means where you have to save the code. Okay. Because already you have taken my code.
Yes.
So now you have to go to file and then switch workspace. What? Because now your workspace is your Eclipse is pointing to the workspace which you created yesterday.
Which workspace? Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yesterday you created one workspace, right?
Yes.
Okay, but now today you are creating one more new workspace. Yesterday which you created is to save your code. Now which you created is to save the code which you have just taken. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
So now you go to file, switch workspace, and then go to others, and then browse and select the folder which you just created, like a session workspace, something you created, right? You just select that and click on select folder, and then you click on launch.
Done.
Now Eclipse will open, pointing to that workspace which you just created. Okay. Now what I am going to tell is, now I am going to show you how to import the code which you have taken from repository into your Eclipse. Okay.
Can you repeat?
So now what I'm going to show you is, so you all have taken the code into your repository, into your folder. Yes or no?
Yes.
By connecting to git space clone space URL, which I have shared. Okay.
Yes.
The code is already available in your system, but now I'm teaching you how to take that code to the Eclipse to see. Okay, you're getting my point, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
So no confusion, right?
Yes.
See, everyone has run the command and taken my code. Now, what I'm going to teach you is why I have asked you to create a new workspace is so that you will not find any confusion. Okay. So you can switch between the workspaces. So wherever you're practicing, you can point to your workspace. Wherever you have doubt, you want to check my code, then you can switch to the other workspace and check the code. Okay. So now is the Eclipse has started?
Yeah, it has started and it's showing a new
welcomes
page.
page. You can close the welcomes page. Okay. But generally yesterday what you did, you created a new Java project. Yes or no?
Java project.
Now you are not going to create a new Java project, but you are going to import, because already you have one project which you have taken from my repository. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yesterday you don't have the Java project, so you created, but now you have already, which you have taken from my repository. So now you are going to file. Okay.
So I have to
then-
click the welcome cross button.
Yeah, you can close the welcome. Okay.
Oh, okay, fine.
You can
fine.
go to file and then import. Okay.
Then
And then you can go to general and then select existing project into workspace. Okay. Because already
Okay.
you have a project. Which project? The
Yes.
project which I have shared. Okay.
Yeah.
When you
Next,
click on
I'm
existing
selecting.
project and then click on next, and then you have to browse the project here.
Okay.
So what is the project? The project is, for example, I have taken
Indian
as backup.
morning batch.
No, I have taken
Okay.
as a morning batch. Okay. So now, yes or no? So are you able to see in the projects, you can see first project and a checkbox is selected. Yes or no?
Yes.
Farhan, are you able to get?
No.
No.
Okay. Okay. Wait, wait.
So when you select,
So I.
it,
Uh-huh.
you have to select the, when you click on browse, okay, you have to
Hmm.
select the folder in which you have taken my code.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. Understood.
When you open the folder where you have taken my code, you can see the folder name inside that as Indian morning batch. You have to select that and click on select folder.
Oh.
Is that clear?
Fine, done. Yes. Yes. Yes.
So here in the projects, you are able to see a check mark to first project.
Yes.
And then now you can click on finish. Means this is the project which I have created. Okay.
Okay.
So now when you go, are you able to see SRC first program?
First project. Yeah.
When you open first program, are you able to see hello? When you double click on the first program.
Yes.
Yes or no? So this is my code which you got now. Is that clear?
Yes.
So now assume you want to go back to your workspace. See, for example, now I want to go back to my workspace and add some more code so that you can see again the latest. Okay.
Okay.
So now you have taken my code freshly. Okay.
Yes.
Assume tomorrow we will have again again class. I will add some more code. Yes or no? So now how
Yes.
to go back to your actual workspace which you created yesterday is, if you go to file, then you can see at the end switch workspace. What you can see?
Which workspace?
Switch workspace. In that case, you can see one more workspace name which you created yesterday. Yes or no?
Yes. Two.
You
I
can
can see two here. Yes.
you can select your workspace.
Okay.
So again, the Eclipse will start. So you can switch between the workspaces. Okay.
Yes.
You just have to remember which workspace belongs to which code.
Okay. Again, it's starting.
Yeah, yes. Because you are switching the workspace, right?
Okay.
Okay. Is that clear? So now, is that clear to everyone? Shravanti, Saujanya, Divya, Tazeen, Sridevi, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So till I have just committed the code which I just created. So my repository is having only one line of hello. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So that Farhana also is able to see only hello. Okay. So now, Farhana, you are able to switch the workspace.
Yes.
So now you are able to see the
Done.
code which you have written yesterday.
Yesterday, what? Yes. Yes.
Very good. So again, if you go to file and switch, you can switch to today's workspace if you want.
Yes, I'm doing.
Again, you can switch and see. Okay. So this is how
Okay.
we can switch between different workspaces. Okay. Fine. So now, after every day, see first which command you have run for the first time, you have run git clone and the URL you have given. Okay. So that
Yes.
your folder know that which URL it has to connect. For the first time, it's only connect. Okay. So now assume after next day, I'm adding some more lines. I'm adding some more lines of code. So I'm adding one more line today. Okay. I'm telling automation, testing, training. Okay. I'm adding one more line. Yes or no?
Yes.
So I'm adding one more line. I'm telling hello all. Okay. Clear. So I'm adding two more lines. Does these 2 lines available in repository?
No,
Why?
you haven't pushed that.
You
Exactly. I have not
You
pushed
did
this.
not push that. Yeah.
Exactly. But how to push? Okay, so what I will do, I will go to my project. Okay. So how to push, you no need to worry now. I will tell you later. Okay. So every day what I will do, I will go to my project. I will open my project window and then I will open the command prompt. See, even if you go to my repository here, even if I refresh, okay, there is only one class. Yes or no? There is only one line. Okay. So now what I
Yes.
will do, because I have not yet pushed my code. So now what I will do, I will see first time you all have to git clone, but from second time, from
Clone.
second day, you should not do git clone. You should do git pull. I will teach you that. Okay. Git push origin master. Okay, git push origin master. When I do git push origin master, it is telling everything is up to date. But is it up to date in repository? No, right? Because I have added 2 statements. Yes or no? Newly. For
Yes.
that, first what I have to do, I have to run some more commands, git status. But these commands you don't worry. Okay. Git and I will teach you at the end. Second session. Okay, so now I have pushed. Okay, so 100% is done. So now if I go and refresh this, just I'm refreshing. See, you are able to see the code or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. So now,
Yes, sir.
Farhana, now
Yes.
you go to your folder. Okay, you close all the command prompts which you have opened. Okay.
Okay. Close.
Now you open the folder which you have created. Workspace which you have created, right, where you have placed my code.
Open.
So
Yes.
so you have created one folder. What is the name? Session or
Session
automation?
workspace.
You created session workspace. Fine. So what
Yes.
is no, I don't want the workspace, but I want the code where you have ran git clone. Which is that folder name?
In morning 1 minute. Training, automation training.
Automation
Yeah.
training. Okay. Can you double click that automation training?
Yes. Yes. Right.
Okay.
Showing Indian morning batch.
Exactly. Okay. Now see 1 minute. So here I'm just going to my backup. Okay, now can you go inside the Indian morning batch? And again,
Yes, I can
you
see
open,
dot git.
okay,
Yeah.
okay. Can you open command prompt in this folder? See, why I'm telling you to go into this
Yes,
mean,
I did.
this is the place where you have connected to my repository and taken the code. Yes or no?
Yes.
See,
Yes.
workspace is different. This folder is different. Workspace is the place which you are telling to Eclipse to launch this project pointing to that workspace. Okay, so actually this is the project. Okay, getting my point.
Okay. Yes.
The git clone command from which folder you have ran, that is important. Okay, because
Okay.
that is actual
Yeah.
project. The workspace is
Fine.
the space to which Eclipse is connecting and opening this project. Okay.
Yeah.
So now in this command prompt, you are not going to run git clone, but because already it is cloned, so git clone should be run only for the first time. Now you are going to run the command git space push, sorry, git space pull origin master. Because now you are trying to pull the code from the second time. First time you are trying to establish the connection also. So you are telling git clone and you are giving the URL. So your project know which is the URL it has to connect every time. So now you are telling git pull origin master. Git pull origin master. Git space pull space origin space master. Okay. So now when you run this, now if you go to Eclipse, okay, and point to that workspace and open your project, and go and open that first program, you can see your latest lines of code. Or if you don't, you can directly go to the project Indian morning batch and then first project, and you can go to SRC, then you can go to first package and open that and see. Farhana, are you able to follow?
Yes, yes.
So till where you have
It's
reached?
opening again.
Okay.
And fine. Switch workspace. And session workspace.
Farhana, can you share your screen? I made you host.
No, bhai, I cannot because
Okay.
I am using in the phone
Okay,
and
fine.
laptop I'm using separate. Yeah, it came automation training. Hello all.
Okay,
And with
fine.
hello
Very good.
screen.
Now you close. See, already you are pointing to this workspace only. Okay, fine. Now you close your command prompt. Okay.
Okay, close.
So now what I'm doing, I'm adding 2 more lines. What I'm adding?
Your screen is not visible.
No, I will add 2 more lines. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so I will add 2 more lines. I'm not going to tell what are the 2 lines, but you are going to tell after again you pull the code. Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
Yes.
So now I will add 2 more lines. Okay. Then what you will do? You will again launch the command prompt from the same folder from where you got Indian morning batch, right? Okay.
Okay.
And then you will run git space pull space origin master, and then you come and refresh here. Okay.
Fine. Yes.
I have written one line. Okay. And then now I'm trying to push my code. Okay, Farhana, I have pushed the code. Now, can you pull the code? So every day after the class, you have to just run this command alone. Which command? Which command, Saujanya?
Git space pull space origin space master in the folder which we have created to access the code.
Exactly. Farhana, is that clear? Farhana, now Farhana will tell which line I have added. You can just go to, you can just right click on the project, first project, and then you can click on a refresh so that it will refresh the project. You can open the class file again. You can see.
Right click on the
Project. You can see the middle refresh button.
Okay.
So did you have to do this after calling a git pull? Okay.
Fine.
So you have to open the command prompt pointing to that folder, Indian morning batch folder, and then you have to run the command git space pull space origin space master.
Opening. Hello, my automation team member.
Yes, this is the line which I have added. Okay. Is that clear? So daily morning, what you people will do? You will go to the folder where you have created. Okay, not the workspace. Okay, you have to go to the project folder. Okay, you remember everyone. Okay, you have to go to project folder, and then
Command.
You have to open the command prompt. When you go to the project folder, you can see a folder which I created my repository name Indian morning batch. Okay, and then you can open that folder, and then you can open the command prompt, and then you can just run git space pull space origin master. So it will get all the latest code. Then you can go and open the Eclipse pointing to the new workspace. Is that clear to everyone? See, first time you have to import the project because already you have the project. When you don't have the project, you will create a project, but already you have taken the project from my repository. So you will import the project. Is that clear to everyone? Yeah. So from tomorrow, whenever after the session, I will push my code and you can take the code whenever you have doubt. Okay. Is it clear?
Okay.
So see, now I have not taught you how to push because now it's not required for you. You will be getting more confused if I teach all this. Okay. So once you're familiar with all this pull, right, how to take, because as of now, if you take the code, that is enough, right? Yes or no? Because you don't need to push. Okay. At the end, I will teach you in detail about the Git. Okay. As of now, why I'm teaching you before how to take means so that you can take my latest code, the session code. After the session, you can take the code. Okay. So why we use Git?
To access the code.
What is Git?
How to take the code?
Save the
It is a repository.
Yes, it is a repository. What is mean repository? Repository is nothing but it is a place where the developers and testers used to save the code. See, I am saving in my repository. You are able to take. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Assume if we all are a team working in a team. Okay, so one team member will save the code in repository. Even if other person wants to take the latest code, he can just git pull and take. And after for example, I am working on one functionality, I am pushing my code after it is completed. If assume Shravanti wants to see what I have done, so she can pull the code pointing to the same repository. Yes or no? Now Shravanti has done some changes and push her code. If I want to take the latest code which Shravanti also has pushed, then I can again pull. So everyone will point to the same repository and then they can pull and push. Yes or no?
Okay.
In that case, what happened? All the team members will have the latest code. Okay.
Yeah.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So now you all have to do this. Okay. If you have any doubts, I think Farhana had some hands-on experience. You can check with Farhana. Okay. If you have any doubts also, you can post in the group. I will help you. Okay. So you have to just remember only two commands. What are the commands? Git clone.
Git
For the
pull.
first
Origin master.
Git Git clone and the URL first command. Okay.
Yes.
I will send you these two codes. Okay. And the second code will be from the second time. First time only git space clone space the URL. Second one will be from second day. It will be like git space pull space origin space master. Okay. Clear, right, everyone? Shall we stop the class today? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Anis, when I'm doing that, for the first time, I am able to see the code which you have pushed to the repository. For the second time, when I give that command, I am getting an error.
Which command you are giving?
Git space pull space origin space master.
What error you are getting?
So it is telling some your local changes to the following files would be overwritten by merge, and it has given some directories names, and it is telling that please move or remove them before you merge aborting, and it
So
came out of.
so you are doing git pull origin master?
Yes.
Okay, can you quickly? I have a couple of minutes. Okay, you can just
Okay.
share your screen quickly.
Yes.
Or even Farhana can help you. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you share the screen, Sojanya?
Yeah, I am sharing.
Okay. Okay, fine. You close this. You close this. You close the command prompt.
Yes, yes.
So can can you open Indian morning batch?
Yeah, okay.
Open
So
command
here
prompt.
I've stored
No, no,
that.
open. No, no,
Okay.
go open command prompt. No, no.
Okay.
Okay, CMD.
Okay.
Okay, and now can
Okay.
you give git
Yes,
space
yes,
pull
yes,
space
yes.
origin space master?
Yes.
Hit enter.
It.
Updating. Okay, now can you remove the before you merge, please? Okay, 1 minute. Commit your changes. So have you done some changes?
No, no, miss, I didn't do any changes.
I have not done any changes, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay, fine. Can you go back to have you tried to open in Eclipse?
Yes, but I am getting the old code itself.
Correct. But you have not done any changes, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
So
fine.
shall I restart the Eclipse once again?
No, fine. Now can you go back to your folder Indian?
Yes, I will.
Okay, can you open the first project?
Okay.
Can you open SRC?
Okay.
Can you open this? Can you
First
right click
project.
on this?
Okay.
Yeah, you can open Notepad or Notepad, anything. Okay, so you see only this. Okay.
Oh, yes.
Okay, fine. Or can you create a one more project and then clone into that? You can delete this. You can
Okay.
exit. You can exit the Eclipse.
Okay.
Okay, you can exit the
Okay.
Eclipse file.
Mhm.
Exit. Okay, you have
Okay.
closed the Eclipse. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, you can go
Closing
back.
this one.
Yeah, you can close all. Okay, and you can go back. Yeah, you can delete this, or the source
Complete
code.
folder.
Yeah,
Yes.
complete folder. Okay.
Okay.
Now you create one more folder. Try testing. Okay, fine. Training something you can put. Okay, now you go inside, and then here you do a command prompt CMD. You are inside which folder, which drive? It is users.
C drive.
C drive. Okay.
So this automation testing is on the desktop.
Okay, so now on desktop,
Yes.
it's prefer not to put in desktop.
Okay. Okay.
You don't have any other drive?
I have another one.
Okay. Not C. There is no other drive. Okay.
No, only one drive I have.
Okay. C drive, generally all the programs will be. As of now, I will just show you to go to documents. Can you go to documents above?
Okay.
Next to the next? Okay, here you just create, so that I will quickly
Yes.
show you. Okay, and then you create one automation. Okay, and then you can open that and open command prompt.
Okay.
Okay, and then you can run a command
Clone.
git space clone, and you can paste the URL.
I'm getting this screen. Okay.
Okay, hit enter. Okay, so now you got. Okay.
Yes.
So from tomorrow. Okay, so now 1 minute. Now I will do one more change. Okay,
Okay.
so now if you go and go to the project.
Okay.
1 minute, I'm just making the changes. Okay, now I have pushed one more changes. Okay.
Okay.
So now,
Okay.
what you are going to do is, okay, 1
Okay.
minute, I'm just checking your screen. I lost the Zoom. Okay, so now, can you go to SRC? Can you go to SRC 1 minute? Can you go to SRC? Can you open first package? Can you right click on this and open? Okay, so
Okay.
you are able to see this. Okay,
Yes.
this is for the first time.
4 lines.
First
Yes.
time. Can you close the command prompt? You open the CMD also. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, open this. No. Wait.
Not,
You have to go
yes.
back to the
Yeah.
India. Yeah, till there.
Okay.
Okay.
But
Here you have to
here.
open command prompt,
Yes.
and then you type again git pull origin master. Hit enter. Okay, very good. Now you go back and open and see. See, I'm just showing you directly so that you can open
Yes.
in, you can import this project in, you can create a workspace, you can import this
Yeah.
project.
Yeah.
So now you right click and
Import
open.
in work Eclipse.
Exactly. See, I have added one more line. You can see that line. What
Yeah.
line I
Hi,
have added?
Saujanya. Hi, Saujanya.
Okay.
Yes.
So
I'm
every
able
day
to
you will
see.
go to this India
Okay.
morning batch, and
Morning
then you will
batch.
run the command. Okay, every day, so that you will
Okay.
get all the code, whatever. Is that clear to
Okay.
everyone, right? Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, then fine. Thank you. Bye all.
Thank
Yes.
you.
Have a nice day.